So that thing also the height and distance ke tiwa thangpudi. The height of a tower is 20 meters. Calculate the length of its shadow. So thangpudi also tower ji. So the tower the height the 20 meters. Calculate the length of its shadow made on the level ground. When the sun's altitude is 60 degree. So sun's altitude is 60 degree lana. Suppose the sun the del shargi yuna. And then it will make a shadow. Let's say the sun then it make a shadow. And suppose the nima desha ne ngazu timna dichar. So di timna tse dini jidiniya di tagruwa and di angle di liya kalagre sun's altitude. So the sun's altitude di khazire labina 60 degree. Okay, ngazu chunda shimbachi pijuchina 60 degree. Now, tang ngazu kachi laban di shadow degree dung tser. So let's say the A and we draw a perpendicular line. This is B and this is C. So we have to find out the length of shadow, that is BC. So this is question mark. So ngazula kariyolana diring tuntir AB. So AB the 60 degree opposite, therefore the ngazula OLED. So now in triangle ABC, and this side is called the adjacent side. So opposite divided by adjacent side. Then also kari pyejitan gulana 60 degree angle pyejitan or opposite pyejitan or and also adjacent itself. And kunjusum combination yugodi, we say this is 10. So opposite or adjacent is 10 theta, right? So also theta dikazilana 60 degree. So 10 60 degree equals to opposite ki ringdu di 20 meter. Adjacent means BC. Now 10 60 degree ki value kazire √3. So 20 upon BC. Chezang BC ki measure kazira gudu 20 upon √3 meter. Therefore, the length of shadow is 20 upon √3 meters.